Then I thought actually we should show if somebody has some ability quality, then we should show. And now we have this environment, we can say social media. And
Mhm.
so actually before joining Skype, I didn't know this type of conversation we can do free of cost, because if somebody has some ability, then we should take advantage. And there's so
Mm.
many brand here. Then initially I actually we were talking before 1 week, but we only calling. And in mid time we stumble out. Suddenly I saw message, then I saw, okay, now you drop message, it's a 1 minute left. Then I should drop message, maybe you can talk with someone. So
I
suddenly I
was
dropped a message.
talking with one co-learner, but
Hmm.
that conversation was not fruitful. In the mid of the conversation, he got a call from office. So I
Okay,
stopped.
okay. That's why I
Yes.
didn't call you, because if you send message in a group, somebody suddenly call. So it's
Hmm.
not good. Suddenly you call because maybe you are talking with someone. So then
Yes,
I
but
thought,
after the conversation, I always make call who are giving me missed calls or calls. So I always call that person.
yeah. So that's all.
Hmm. So please
Okay.
introduce yourself for my viewers.
First of all, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. And how are you?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. What about your not morning? I can say afternoon time.
Afternoon. Yeah, afternoon.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm also pretty well. Now we are talking because in a mid time, within 1 week, we stumble out. Then I thought, yeah, actually, we should talk because we kept waiting for long time. Now we got time, then we should talk. Yeah,
Hmm.
actually, you want to know about myself. As you know, my name is Seema. I'm homemaker, mother as well. I have done PG. It's very long time. I was teacher 10 years ago, and I left this journey due to my children's care, my house care. We can say I live in a nuclear family. My husband is a loco pilot. So he comes after
Mm-hmm.
3 days, then I have to handle everything. And before
Mm-hmm.
6 months, actually, I thought I have to learn English because I want to join. I wanted to join my children's school, but lacking of English language, I was not able to speak in front of a student, in front of teacher. Then I thought it's not my cup of tea. Then I came, and after coming,
Mm-hmm.
then I started to speak, mingle with the person. So that's
Mm.
all. And
Where are
now
you from? I forget. Where are you from?
I live in a Kanpur, UP.
Kanpur. Okay. Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
and
Leather City.
yeah. And
Hmm.
simultaneously, I run my YouTube channel. We can say I have just started the journey. And
Hmm.
that's all about myself. Yeah.
Okay, I am Tanya. I'm joining you from Jaipur, Pink City. I'm a homemaker. I have a daughter. And my academic says I have done PG from Meerut University. And
Okay.
right now I'm running a YouTube channel. Channel name is English Elevation by Ojasvi, where I'm uploading daily conversation video. My hobby is watching movies and talking with my co-learners, singing songs. Yes, that's all about me.
Yeah, actually, I have done my PG from Meerut University because my mama's house in a Ghaziabad. So,
I'm also a resident of Ghaziabad,
oh my
proper
God.
Ghaziabad. But yes,
Okay.
because of my husband's job, I'm living here in Jaipur.
Jaipur. Okay. My
I
mama.
basically belong from Ghaziabad district.
Yeah, my mama house in a Ghaziabad. Yeah, I also we can say go
My
sometime.
district is Ghaziabad, but we properly living in NCR because it is very near to Delhi,
Yeah.
Vistarghat metro station. Hmm.
Hmm. Okay, so we are in a Ghaziabad.
I will tell you after the conversation.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Okay, so tell me
Okay.
something about yourself.
Like your husband is a loco pilot and it's a very, challenging job, operate the trains.
Yeah, actually, there's so many people in his order, so it's very difficult
Yes.
job. He can't take any nap while driving
Hmm.
train. So it's very
Yes.
difficult.
And you told me that he always come back after 3 days.
Comes we can say depend the station. If he
Mm-hmm.
goes daily, Kanpur to Delhi, then he comes after 3 days, and actually he has a four route:
Hmm.
Delhi, Prayagraj. Lucknow, and Tundla, Agra as well.
Hmm.
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 So
In the
depend.
beginning, when you were newly married, and like my husband is a loco pilot, so how was your feeling that time?
Actually, my whole family, my bhaiya, my brother is a TT, my father, now my father got retired, and my
Mm-hmm.
father JE in a railway, and
Mm.
my whole family. So, and my Jija is a station master. So I
Okay.
actually,
So it
yeah,
was not new for you,
yeah, it was not new.
because
Uh,
my some sisters are cousin sisters are married with some railway persons like TT. Some are loco pilot. So I was thinking how they are spending their whole day.
yeah, actually, that's why I feel sometime because actually I wanted to join my school, my children's school. It was we can say good for me because
Mm.
if I join my children's school, then I don't need to looking for here and there my children.
Mm.
I can
Mm.
go with them. I can come with them. So it's very easy because I
Mm.
have to handle everything. So then I thought ki I used to spend my time only for chit chat and ridiculous. Then I
Mm.
thought actually we should show if somebody has some ability, quality, then we should show. And now we have this environment, we can say social media. And
Mm.
so actually before joining Skype, I didn't know this type of conversation we can do free of cost because if somebody has some ability, then we should take advantage. And there are so
Mm.
many women here. Then initially I didn't know how to speak because I used to talk in a audio call. I was not able to
Mm.
speak proper speak. So I used to try. My daughter, she is in seventh class. Then she speaks better than me. But now we are equal. So she said, "Ki Mama, actually you should talk English, and if you will grow in we can say in your language, then you will join." So then I
Mm.
thought ki yeah, actually somebody joined me in this Skype. Then I joined and I found so many people. And
Mm.
somebody said ki you should actually maintain your eye contact and body
Mm.
posture. Within 6 months,
Mm.
I have done. Now I'm doing. We can't
Yes.
say I can't. Then we can say English speaking is not a piece of cake. We have to learn
No, I
every
think
day.
it's not so. It is not too difficult, because nowadays we have so many applications where we can do
Mhm.
practice. But if I talk about like past days, there were no good internet connectivity, and
Mhm.
there are so many problems. Like there are surrounding problems also, because our people are speaking Hindi. But nowadays you can create your own environment. You can
Yes.
join WhatsApp group also. So
Mhm.
nowadays it's not very tough for every co-learner.
But if
Hmm.
you want to learn this language, that is easy. If you have any excuse, ki actually I have to go outside and after coming house, then we feel exhausted. Ki actually we should do practice tomorrow. That is an excuse because this all desire. Speaking is
Hmm.
that we don't have any teacher, we are not a student who made us understand ki yeah, actually you have to speak, otherwise you will be scolded.
I think your daughter suggests you this application.
No, 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 no. Actually, there is a person who is a YouTuber, and actually, I joined him in my Instagram. Actually, I was scrolling phone. Okay,
Hmm.
and I was scrolling YouTube channel, and somebody called me suddenly. Then he said, "Ki ma'am, I can make video." Then I was not able to. Matlab, I actually I
Hmm.
make sentence, but. Speaking part, if you speak first time in a video call, then you feel fumble.
Hmm.
Then
Hmm.
I was not able to speak. Then he joined me. Then he said, "Ma'am,
Hmm.
there are so many partner here. You can talk, and when you feel good, then first video you have to make with me." Then I said, "Okay." Then I made a first video with him.
Hmm. There are two modes, audio and video. Which one is your favorite?
Yeah, we can say if you want to show your quality, we can say if somebody has some ability and they have a reason for learning this language for showing, then video call is very important
Mm.
because yeah, actually, if you want to learn this language only for speaking yourself, we can say if you want to learn this language for talking with your children, with your parents, and with your family member, then you can talk only for getting partner. Yeah,
Mm.
audio call is enough, but now we are showing our quality in a YouTube channel. We can say we have to maintain our eye contact, body posture,
Mm.
everything. We have to control. So
Mm.
video call is very perfect. Mm,
Yes, if you are doing video conversation, you can boost your confidence, you can improve your body language, and there are some problem like eye contact problem, you can
mm,
improve.
yeah, and gradually you
Yes.
can speak on the stage in front of public without
Hmm.
hesitation.
Your
Impromptu.
legs never shivering, will never shiver.
Yeah. So now we are
Yes.
doing this and we can say English, spoken English is not a piece of cake. Every day we have to grab so many things like in news.
Yes.
Uh,
Because if you are connecting every day, co-learners, strangers, so it's a different kind of feeling.
yeah. And we feel very
Hmm.
glad if we able to speak, we able to give proper answer, then we feel glad.
Hmm.
Okay, actually we can do, and we need more and more. If you feel
Because
from the
nowadays, family members, like I'm talking about like children, they are very busy in their study. So it's not
yeah,
possible every time they are giving their quality time to their mother, father, parents.
hmm,
Yes.
yeah, and we can say after grown up, they after enter, they have their desire. We can say after enter,
Yes.
their profession
Hmm.
line like army, like
Yes.
any. Okay, so they always busy, and
Hmm.
then we feel कि we need a partner. Then we have this environment. We can show our ability. We can mingle with the person. So it's a
Hmm.
very good opportunity for us. Then we should
Hmm.
avail of this. Yeah, in
So
my
tell me
case.
something about your city. What is special in this Kanpur city?
Yeah, actually, Kanpur is famous for leather. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Hmm.
leather is very famous because initially is called Kanpur is made for leather, leather city.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
there's so because in leather factories, large leather factory in a
Hmm.
Kanpur,
Hmm.
and there's
Hmm.
so many temple here. There's so many education. We can say education system here. There's
Hmm.
so many
Hmm.
people wants to come for taking class. Okay, there are so many institute here, NEET Institute
Hmm.
and Army, and there's so many institute. There's so many
Hmm.
temple, big temple. We can say there's so many
Panki
park.
Devi temple.
Panki, yeah, Panki
Hmm.
actually out of Kanpur, in not in a Kanpur, out of Kanpur.
Hmm.
Panki is a
Okay.
different city. Okay,
Bithur is, I think, near from Kanpur. Bithur.
yeah, Bithur in Kanpur. Bithur, it's a
Okay.
famous. Yeah, there's so many temple there, big temple. There's so many people wants to come here for
Hmm.
watching, for visit, and it yeah, and we can say Kanpur is a metro city. We can say metro
Hmm.
city,
Hmm. Hmm.
and there are so many things available here. Shopping mall, and we don't
Hmm.
need to go outside. We can say because I also live in a Ghaziabad nearby Delhi. They actually I can see Kanpur is a very cheap. Okay,
Hmm.
we can say if we
Hmm.
want to purchase anything, then we can buy. And if we want to buy in a daily, most of people say कि in a daily we can
Hmm.
take anything in a cheap rate, but not in a
Hmm.
country we can take in a cheap rate. So it's a
Hmm.
very not costly. It's a very right price, and we can say there's so many things here. Park. Actually, I went a park. There is a new park, water
Hmm.
adventure. So there are two
Hmm.
type of ride. There's so many
Hmm.
celebrities come here for
Hmm.
visit to ride, dry ride, and water ride. It's very good. and it's very
Hmm.
large. Everything we can find in a Kanpur. Hmm.
Hmm. There is Kaka Dev. It is very famous for the student.
Kakadev. Yeah, actually, there are so many institute there. If you want to
Hmm.
get study, then Kakadev is perfect. There's you
Hmm.
don't need to looking any study institute for his education. You can find every institute. We can say NEET
Hmm.
institute, speaking, banking, everything you can find in a
Hmm.
Kakadev. So it's
Hmm.
and Kalyanpur. Kalyanpur is the biggest city.
Hmm.
Kanpur.
There is a school DPS Kalyanpur.
Yeah, DPS and we can say Archies and Viren
Hmm.
Saroop. There's so
Hmm.
many.
Viren Sarup is famous because one of my friend is living in Kanpur. So
Okay.
I heard this name Viren Sarup School.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh,
Yes. Okay. If I talk about like my city, my
uh,
city is famous for their pinky color and their hospitality.
okay,
So
Jaipur.
many tourists, yes, so many tourists every year coming here for visiting palaces, museums, and for cuisine also. Cuisine is very famous of the Jaipur.
Mm-hmm.
And one another city, Jodhpur. It is called Blue City. There is Mehrangarh Fort. It is very beautiful.
Mm-hmm. I heard.
Mm.
Uh, we can say most of people say Jaipur is a very hot city
Yes, in the summer days.
in a
It's
summer.
not good for visiting palaces. But February, Feb and January, December, it's good for visiting Jaipur.
Yeah, and now okay, so what is weather there now?
Right now, weather is cool because yesterday there was drizzling.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Mm.
Because here weather is very clean, bright.
Mm.
We can nowadays we
Okay.
don't need to wear
Mm.
any sweater, any shawl, and I didn't wear any sweater and any shawl.
I wore this jacket because I'm feeling, cold here. So that's why I wear this.
Yeah, because of weather. Nowadays,
Mm.
it's changing. Then we should be aware. Actually, my children also now their paper about to come.
Yes. Annual exam. Mm.
Hmm.
Annual
And
exam.
yeah, and I said ki you have to wear this, and they said ki Mama, actually I feel very hot in a school. I don't wear. We can say I don't wear this. Then I said no, paper about to come. Then you have to wear because you don't need to
Yes.
procrastinate now. It's not a time of
Because
procrastinate.
in the March month, I observed mostly children fell to sick.
Hmm. So that
So
is.
it's I can say mother's duty. They should say wear your sweater because weather is changing rapidly.
Hmm. So
Mm.
yeah, we have to.
Anything else you would like to add it in this conversation?
Okay, do you want anything? Then you can add.
I think we had discussed a lot. Now we should wind up this session.
Okay. Okay, we will make